Good morning, traders, and welcome to our final pre-market plan of the week. This is not financial advice. In this short video, I'll be demonstrating some ideas which I'll be trading today if everything does go to plan. So without further ado, let's get into this short PowerPoint. So firstly, let's have a look at SPY, what's it doing. So we obviously we saw a massive bearish gap down from the CPI numbers being released, and so far we've basically just based around this key support area. So you know we're in a reasonable territory. I'm not saying it's bearish, I'm not going to say it's bullish, but we are holding so far. Now Fridays are the days where typically if it is very, very bearish today, then Monday it will also be very, very bearish. But then again, if it is very, very bullish, Mondays or the following Monday could be very, very bullish. So it all depends on the price action from today. But so far, looking at the daily chart, it looks like we are holding so far. But I mean, I wouldn't mind seeing a swoop down past this support, maybe something, maybe a wick like this, and then for it to be brought back up for a nice green Monday. But who knows so far? Just take it as it comes. I'll be reviewing this chart again tonight or on the Monday pre-market session. So anyways, let's get into the first idea. First idea is Tesla. I've got a short idea and a long idea for this one. So if we go on the 15-minute real quick, let's take off the volume. So basically, I'm not interested in Tesla if it stays between this red zone. This is a no-go. This is a accumulation / distribution up here. It's just it doesn't interest me. I'm particularly looking for a break above 307 to go bullish, so that is basically around where my mouse is right now. And then above that, we are looking for 307.80 and then 310.90 above that. So some decent profit can be made on this one, but of course, we are literally coming to this top of the range of this accumulation distribution area. So obviously down here, massive accumulation, and then up here you can say distribution. So we're basically looking for a quick swoop up, nothing crazy, because I do not think Tesla has the momentum to keep on going in this particular market. So if we just go back to 15 minutes real quick, and then obviously for a bearish scenario, I'm more tempted to go bearish on this stock, or at least many stocks today. But yeah, anyways, for a bearish scenario, I'm looking for 300.5 break, which is basically the top of this blue line right here, right? And this blue line was the gap up previously, so these always act as key support and resistances when going into the next trading day, so that's why I love to use them. But anyways, yeah, I'm looking for 300.5, sorry, to break to then go short, and profit targets are as stated on screen, so 298.80 and 296.70, as you can see here. So if you want to take a little screenshot, you can screenshot this and I don't know, stick it, print it out maybe even print out the little PowerPoint slide. Do what you want. It's up to you. Maybe even have a little notepad next to you for some key levels. Completely up to you. So anyways, next idea is Meta. So just load up the Meta chart. Forming a little accumulation base down here. I mean, it looks very, very bullish, I'd like to say. If you go on the daily chart quickly, I just want to demonstrate how oversold Meta is right now. Like, it is extremely oversold. It's at least over 120% from all-time highs. So accumulating down here is, the risk to reward is insane. I think I've been accumulating some from my long-term portfolio, but I'm going off track. But anyways, from a day trading perspective, I'm not interested between this red zone. A break above $152, which is basically where my mouse is. So just above this zone is where I'll start to go bullish at. And then above that, we are looking for 153.3 / 155.5. So, and that is for Meta. And that is, of course, if the SPY goes bullish, because Meta is in sync with the SPY quite a little bit. I mean, not as much as like Nvidia, but the beta on Meta is still fairly high to copy in SPY. So that's my Meta idea. And lastly, Roku. I really want to go short on Roku. I know that ARK Investing did actually buy some more, but I really do think that is just a little trap to get the retail investors back into the stock before they run it up. But I just think they're gonna crash it a little bit and then run it up again, like they always have, like past experiences. If you go onto ARK Investing, look what they've invested in recently. particularly Hood. I mean, I know that Hood, I mean, it wasn't recent, but Hood had a massive spike and then it dropped all the way back down and then went gradually back up again. But anyways, Roku. I'm not interested within this red zone. If we go on the hourly chart, do not care. It's more bullish if it actually gets above this red zone, but I'm honestly just looking to short. So anyways, I am bearish under $72.50, which is basically where our mouse is right now. So just below this this pivot point on the hourly chart, and then below that I've got two profit targets, which is 71.85 and 70.20. So that is for Roku, and they are my 3 ideas for today's session. I wish you all the best of luck, and I'll catch you on Monday's pre-market plan. Right, take care, guys.